Hi, I'm Erin Duffy. I'm an IT professional in the Boyertown Area School District, and today I'm going to be talking to you about Bring Your Own Device. The purpose of this presentation is to introduce M-Learning and what that means, propose BYOD, which is Bring Your Own Device, talk about its advantages and its challenges, and then the rationale behind why I think this would be important for Boyertown Area School District to have. First up, well, what is M-Learning? Mobile learning, or M-Learning, is the ability to provide or receive educational content on digital devices like smartphones and tablets. Bring your own device. What is it? Students bring in their personal devices from home, which would include laptops, smart pads, phones, etc. Why should we have this? Students can have a seamless transition between home and school. How are we going to implement this? Well, with planning, training, preparing, and some communication, this can be brought to our school district easily. Some of the advantages of Bring Your Own Device is that learning can happen everywhere and anywhere. Instruction is going to be more personalized, and specifically the content. Students can utilize the tools accessible to their device for assignments, as well as just be comfortable with their devices that they already have. We create a student-centered learning environment. We can also supplement one-to-one devices, which in the end is going to save our district money. Some of the challenges we may face is that students are responsible for bringing their own devices to and from school. We need to make sure that that is routine so that students will not forget their devices or have some sort of backup, maybe like a loaner. There may become more distractions, so having those expectations and setting them right away would be very important. We're going to need some better security because we're going to have personal computers or personal devices in our network. And then some students may not be able to use the same tools across all devices, so just preparing for that. The rationale for bringing this to our district, number one, it's going to save us money. Number two, students are going to be so engaged and they're going to take control of their own learning, which means that we are going to empower our students to want to learn and to exceed our expectations. Number three is that the technology is cutting edge, so our students are going to be above and beyond other students in the area. In summary, a BYOD, or Bring Your Own Device policy, can empower learners by providing them with pathways to solve problems, access resources, and create workflow patterns. It creates a classroom culture that allows students to connect their learning in the classroom with their personal lives.